Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are out by Marcus Garvey Drive. To the left is a Tinsipen Aerodrome and to the right is the Port of Kingston. Now what's happening here is that Marcus Garvey Drive is going to be realigned. What we're looking at now is going to become a part of the Port of Kingston. And Tinsipen Aerodrome, which is on the left, will be moved to the Norman Manley International Airport, and that land will also become a part of the Port of Kingston. The Port of Kingston is at capacity. It is the busiest port in the English-speaking Caribbean. And with its strategic location to the Panama Canal, more and more ships are calling on this port. So the port needs space. They just recently brought in two of the largest cranes in the Caribbean, the Panamax cranes, to help load and unload ships faster. So a lot of investment is going into the port. So to the left of the aerodrome now, there is space where they're going to realign Marcus Garvey Drive, and the road will be put there. So this entire area we're looking at will become a part of the Port of Kingston. And the aerodrome isn't very busy, so moving it to the Norman Manley International Airport is actually a good move. So we're going to go through an article that gives more information on this realignment and expansion of the port. The realignment of Marcus Garvey Drive. The realignment of Marcus Garvey Drive marks one of the most transformative infrastructure projects currently underway in Jamaica. This initiative is not simply about constructing a new roadway, it is part of a comprehensive plan to expand and modernize the Port of Kingston, enhance national logistics capacity, and reposition Jamaica as a premier shipping and transportation hub in the Caribbean. At the heart of this project lies a strategic decision to reroute Marcus Garvey Drive north of the existing Tinsipen Aerodrome, a move that will free up valuable coastal land for port-related expansion. The government has confirmed that once the new road is completed, the existing alignment of Marcus Garvey Drive will become an internal road within the expanded port zone. This realignment supports a broader national logistics vision that connects the Port of Kingston, the Norman Manley International Airport, and the Cayman Islands Special Economic Zone into a seamless logistics and industrial corridor. A key component of the plan involves the relocation of Tinsipen Aerodrome to the Norman Manley International Airport. And this is the aerodrome we're driving through now. And as you can see, it's not very busy. You would think the aerodrome is closed already, but it's actually still open, but just not much activity. Let's put it that way. This relocation is essential as it opens up several hectares of flat, strategically located land currently occupied by aviation facilities. The freed land will be integrated into the Port of Kingston's footprint, allowing for new container yards, berthing facilities, and logistics support zones. The government's long-term objective is to transform this area into a modern, high-security maritime complex that can handle larger vessels, more containers, and automated cargo operations. The economic rationale behind the project is clear. The Port of Kingston remains Jamaica's most important maritime asset, handling the majority of the island's imports and exports and serving as a key node in global transshipment routes. However, physical limitations, particularly along the waterfront between the port and downtown Kingston, have constrained growth. By rerouting Marcus Garvey Drive, the port will gain direct access to land that can support expansion of storage yards and integrated logistics facilities, improving efficiency and reducing turnaround time for ships and trucks. Alright guys, that's the end of the update article. Let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.